Hey guys, it's me, Benny. Excuse me. Special features.
Benny.
We're back at it again. Back at it again with Bernardo over here.
Hi. Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien.
So anyways, guys, we're taking apart the Vokes. Real wheels, I know, what a change for this channel. They're raised.
Racing wheels.
It's a change for this channel. They haven't seen real wheels yet.
That's the homeless that roams
Get the
around
fuck
here.
back.
Guys, that was an interesting intro, at least to say. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I think we already said it, but we're taking these apart because we're gonna sand them down, paint them. I don't know what color we're gonna paint them yet. The owner hasn't. Decided, I guess you can say. So we'll figure out. I wish I had a screw gun. It'd be way faster. But
I do.
we'll take them.
I'll get it later.
All right, so go ahead, push it down, and then spin it. Push this down. No, don't grab. And just spin it, and just like literally, if you're. Yeah, keep going, dude. Go. I know you can break it.
I literally don't have.
You're not gonna damage anything. It will get replaced.
It's me not having the arm strength to do this.
There, see? No, it's not that. It's that you don't want to break it. But it's not gonna come out because we gotta hold the bottom. Go.
Crusty ass looking wheels. Damn, look at you. Looking like a snack.
It's like this.
Oh, there's still that one. That's awkward. Now for the moment of truth. Oh, damn! 2-piece wheels. How's it coming along, Uber Jave? Alright.
I finished that one.
Okay, sure. I finished this one up. So as you can see, I took off the clear coat paint. Not all the paint, but some of the paint. If I really wanted to take off all the paint, I'd get down to this gray right here, but I don't think it's necessary. Just take off some of the clear coat, brush it up a bit. Get it a little rough, you know? And then we're gonna clean them up, wash them up, and then go get spray paint. And I don't know what we're gonna I don't know what we're gonna do with that yet. And I don't know what color we're gonna do yet. We're not sure. So we'll see. Well, there's Jamie, and then there's mine back there, all nice and pretty. Nice and clean.
You started before I did, and I'm a perfectionist. Sorry, not sorry.
Uber Jabe. So right now, I got the hubcaps off of these wheels. They're pretty stuck on there, so I had to get a mallet and a screwdriver, hit them back pretty hard, but I'm gonna do this hubcap, try to get it to look nice and clean, and then do it on the rest. Hopefully it comes out good. Here's the after. Look at that. Just look at that. It has carbon fiber. I didn't even know that. Here's one that I did before, but I didn't put much effort into it. But I think I'm gonna redo it because the white isn't showing just as much. But no, that's the one I did. So just got done polishing up Jamie's wheels. This is how they look in with the polish. Not too shiny. Oh shit, she got matching floor mats to match her car. We got Jamie's wheels on. We put them back together. They're looking fly. I'll put some pictures up. since I'm not going to really get a good video of it. I should have during the trip, but you'll see. It was looking pretty dope, but we'll put up some pictures so you can see. See you guys.